Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome, my name is Claire. I've got a limited edition beauty box to share with you, and there's an amazing offer on at the moment, and I've just missed it literally by days. I'm gutted, absolutely gutted, because I could have done a giveaway. It's Just My Look, and this is their Valentine's Beauty in Love, the beauty box. It contains 15 beauty products. It retails for £34.99 and it has a value of £135. Now the offer is, this is bonkers, buy one, get one free. So if you buy this, you automatically get another one at checkout. So if you wanted to go halves with a friend, for instance, then a bargain, isn't it? Well, if you like the products, that is. You might watch this and you think, that's a load of rubbish. It's not for me. Or like one for you, one for a friend for their birthday or whatever. I just think it's such a great deal. This is the very first time I bought from Just My Look. I think so. I got a funny feeling I might have bought an advent calendar, a Catrice advent calendar a couple of years ago. I had a few messages from you lovely lot. Let me know that this box was released, so I had to get it. It looked really good. As I'm not that familiar with the website, I have had a look online and it seems like they just shipped to the UK, but then another search has shown that they might actually ship internationally. So because I'm new to this website, they sell everything beauty basically. So if any of you lot shop on there regularly, especially if you live out of the UK, then please let us all know down below, so then I can share that with the rest of you if I were to order another beauty box in the future. So yeah, you'll find link to this down below in my description, as well as all my other discount codes and offers to other websites. Let's get on to seeing then what's inside. Comes in like a little drawer, so you pull it out. Got a card. It says, from me to you, on this special day I wanted to express just how much you mean to me. This Valentine's beauty box is filled with self-care delights just for you. Whether you hold my heart, are a cherished friend, or bring endless happiness, you deserve every bit of pampering. Scan the QR code to reveal the ultimate lineup. I'll scan it, but I might just refer to it if I don't know what I'm looking at, or what it is, or what it does, or anything like that. Yeah, it brings up all the products in the box, tells you how much they cost. There's a little bit of information of each. All right then, starting off with some soap. I'm obsessed with soap. This is by Bomb Cosmetics, and this is Ruby Vegas, handmade soap with essential oils. I'm not sure if you'd be able to see inside. So it's like a marbly effect. Everything in this box is full size, and this soap retails for £3.75. So you'll either receive this one, or lemon meringue, or ring of roses, or pink pamper. So what's the smell of? It doesn't say. I can't smell it. Shall I open it up? I can smell it now. Yeah. It's more perfumey, like more florally than fruity. That's nice though, it is nice. Oh, phew, I was thinking then they've sent me a dud. But no, so I've got a slice of soap. We've got some scrunchies from Brushworks. This is satin scrunchies, and there is two, I think. Really handy. Not the sort of scrunchies I'd wear out, gotta be honest. If I were to wear a scrunchie out, it would be black or brown. But at home, tying my hair back, oh my gosh, no, we've got loads. One, two, we've got four. Scrunchies are the way to go, especially if you're a thin-haired girly like myself. So less damage on the hair. So you've got like 4 satin scrunchies there. So how much would these cost then? £6.49 to buy them. We've got Incredilocks. I've never heard of this brand before, never tried anything. It's a 20-in-1 miracle hair treatment spray with glycerin and hydrolyzed silk. It's a pro salon hair care product. There's 125 mils there. This retails at £7.99, and there's loads of stuff that it does. Everything you can think of to help your hair. It says here, it's a leave-in conditioning spray that offers 20 amazing benefits for all hair types. Lightweight and non-greasy, this miracle treatment produces healthy, soft, silky hair with added volume and shine. Oh, I love stuff like this. I'll give that a go, definitely. See if it suits my hair. Oh, Isle of Paradise tan spray. I love this. This is medium, perfect for me, 100 mils. So it's self-tanning water. And this is about 20 odd pound. How much is it? Yeah, it retails for £21. Experience the benefits of clear, colour correcting, self-tanning water that provides a beautiful glow while also hydrating your skin. It's mess free and can be used on your face and body. I really like that. The fact that it's 100 mils or below means that I can take it away with me whenever I go on a trip away, if I'm going abroad. I've got one trip booked this year so far, and that's to Iceland. I'm going next month, so my skin is not going to be showing at all. I'm going to be wearing thermal layers, hat, gloves, scarf, waterproof trousers, base layers, fleeces, waterproof coat. I'll save it for a different one, or just for the summertime when I tend to use fake tan more often. But yeah, really happy with that. I got a pencil. This is from Essence, long lasting eye pencil in Black Fever. Twist up one, nice. Yeah, that's nice. That's really pigmented. I really like that. This retails for £1.49. Next, I got a lipstick from Catrice. This retails for £3.95. Oh, I got a sticker on it. It's a Scandalous matte lipstick in shade Blame the Night. Oh, wow. That is so pretty. It's like the Lisa Eldridge lipsticks. Oh my gosh, look. That colour is stunning, but can you see the texture? Can you see the texture on it? It just looks like suede. It's so nice. Okay, what's the colour like? Oh, yes. That's really pretty. Yeah, I love that. Next, I got some hair gummies. These are from Hair Burst. Unicorn vegan hair gummies. There's a 30-day supply. Raspberry naturally flavoured vegan vitamins and minerals. Biotin, vitamins, selenium and zinc, which is really great. Just looking at the sell-by date here. Yeah, you got to use them by the 10th of this year. So you got to use them by October this year. I do take zinc, selenium, B12, B6. So yeah, it contains vitamin C, E, A as well. Costs £27.50. Formulated to nourish your body with the essential nutrients required for vibrant hair. These vegan chewable supplements combat common issues like breakage, thinning hair and slow growth caused by vitamin deficiencies. Look like there. Little red gummies. I'll have to compare them to the dosage of the supplements I take. That might be a good one for me, obviously, because I've got really thin hair. Right, next up. Oh, I got a really cool brush. I love these. They're a wet hair brush. Hair Tools Hedge Jog Straw Brush. Okay, look. Can you see? It's really bouncy. Really bouncy. That's really cool. This brush retails for £4.15. An environmentally friendly brush which massages the scalp and can be used to detangle wet or dry hair, are kinder to your hair and minimise breakage. We got a bath bomb and I don't have a bath, unfortunately. So I'll save this and give it to someone as part of a gift or a birthday present in a little box. This is Scent with Love by Bomb Cosmetics, and it retails for £3.75. Bomb Cosmetics is a really gorgeous brand. There's a shop in a town near me that sells loads of Bomb Cosmetics, and it's just so nice, visually pleasing. The smell is gorgeous, but they've got all like the soaps, the bath bombs and shower foams and things like that. It's a really nice brand. Oh, it does smell nice. Delight in the velvety scent of rose and the rich aroma of oud as this bath blaster transform your bath into a truly magical and soothing escape for your senses. Again, I'm a rose hater, but I like that. Typical, isn't it? We got Aveeno. This is Calm and Restore. It's a rehydrating night cream for sensitive skin. It says it's new as well. I don't know how new it is. It is fragrance free, intensely nourishes and strengthens the protective skin barrier overnight. And there's 50 mils there. And this cream retails for £11.99. Packaging is really nice. Intensely moisturises sensitive skin, replenishing and helping strengthen the skin's moisture barrier as you sleep for soothing skin in the morning. It contains prebiotic oat, calming, feverfew, shea butter and a mineral complex, which leaves your skin moisturised and healthy looking. So we've got a night cream there from Aveeno. We got a perfume from Shea and Blue, but it says here that it's showing that it's full size and it's £65. It's not. It's a little sample. A fun and fruity unisex fragrance. It begins with the addictive aroma of salted toffee apple, followed by sharp and zesty lemon blossom. And this is Melrose Apple Blossom. I love this. I received this in a beauty box. Don't know which one. I don't know, but it is so nice. Oh no, it's not really coming out. Little tiny bits are coming out. Oh, that's a bit better. Oh, that is such a gorgeous smell. Yeah, I would 100% buy that. Really nice, fruity and fresh. Next we've got nail polish. This is by OPI. It's a nail lacquer and I've got it in shade Data Peach. It's really pretty actually. Can you see? It's like a chrome colour shift to it. It's really pretty. Like a peachy gold. Okay, so you'll have one of two. So you'll either receive this one or switch to Portrait, which is a pinky one. And they retail for £14.90. Next we got Revolution. This is Bright Light. It's a highlighter, gold lights with quartz. And this retails for £8. Right, I've got to twist it up. Can you see it coming out there? So it's a liquid highlighter. Can you see? Now these come in different shades. I've actually got one of these already, but it's a cooler toned one, which I prefer, like a champagne. This is quite gold. So Bright Lights Liquid Highlighter Pen from Revolution, which retails for £8. Next we've got a blush from Collection, and it's in shade Peach, and it retails for £2.99. That's what it looks like. There's that. Then lastly, we got another fake tan by one of my favourite brands, Bondi Sands. This is liquid gold self-tanning foam, and there's 200 mils here. I'm not sure how much you'll be able to see there. I have tried this before, a little mini one, but I can't tell you what it's like. I love all of them though. I have tried many Bondi Sands ones, and the medium, dark, extra dark, they all turn out roughly the same on me. Enriched with argan oil and infused with a scent of coconut, this hydrating self-tanning foam will develop into a golden tan that is dry to the touch in seconds. And it retails for £17.49. Chuffed with that. Really chuffed I've got two self-tanning products. It's not for everyone, I know, self-tan, same with false eyelashes. They're very hit and miss products. You either love them or you hate them. It depends on if you use them or not. But for me, I love fake tans, so that'll be going to my collection. Those are all the products in the Beauty in Love Valentine's special edition beauty box. I'll just go through them all, giving you a bit of a recap. We've got a set of 4 scrunchies from Brushworks. We've got a really cool brush from Hedgehog. I think that's a brand. Hedgehog. Got a bath bomb from Bomb Cosmetics. We've got a soap slice from Bomb Cosmetics. Got a liquid highlighter from Revolution. We've got a night cream from Aveeno. We've got a 20-in-1 conditioner spray from Incredilox. Got Isle of Paradise Self Tanning Water in medium. We've got a Collection blush in shade Peach. Got an OPI nail polish in shade Data Peach. We've got a Shea in Blue Melrose Apple Blossom sample perfume. Got an Essence Everlasting black eyeliner. We've got a Catrice matte lipstick in shade Blame the Night. Got Hairbus Unicorn hair gummies. And lastly, we got Bondi Sands liquid gold. This box retails for £34.99 and it has a value of £135. And I've just added it all up just to make sure that the Shea in Blue full-size perfume wasn't added to the value, but no, it's not, so I haven't counted that. And yeah, it is right, it comes to £135. And yeah, the offer, buy one get one free, I think it's a really good box. I think it's got some really good products in there. As soon as I saw it, I thought, oh, that's a little bit different. We're seeing brands that we don't normally see in beauty boxes. It's nice to have a mix of everything beauty related, basically. I'm not sure if Just My Look bring out regular beauty boxes. I've just signed up for the newsletter, so if I do hear anything, then as always I will let you all know on all my different social media pages. But I'd love to hear your thoughts. What do you think of it? Did you go for it? Are you thinking, yeah, buy one get one free, I'm going for that now? Or are you thinking, nah, it's a load of rubbish, Claire? I'd love to hear it, so please comment down below. But thanks for watching and I'll see you in my next video. Take care. Bye.